What happens if your estate planning documents can't be found when they're needed? This is one of those issues that really doesn't get talked about very often, but it can create real problems for families because even the best plan in the world doesn't help if no one can locate it. So let's walk through what this looks like in real life. Something happens. Your family knows you have a will or set up a trust, but they're not exactly sure where those documents are. Are they in a safe, a filing cabinet, a safe deposit box with an attorney? And in that moment, your family is searching. They're trying to piece things together. They may be calling different places, looking through paperwork, and trying to figure out what exists and what doesn't. And that creates uncertainty right at the beginning of the process. Now, here's where it becomes more than just inconvenient. If the original will can't be found, there can be legal hurdles. In some cases, the court may require additional steps to prove what the document said. In certain situations, the absence of an original document can complicate things significantly. On the trust side, if no one knows how to access the trust documents or doesn't understand how things are structured, it can slow down the process of stepping in and managing assets. I've seen families who knew a plan existed but didn't know how to activate it. And that delay adds stress at a time when things are already difficult. Now, compare that to a situation where everything is organized and communicated. Your family knows where the documents are, they know who to contact, they know how to access what they need. Now, instead of searching, they can move forward. And that makes a big difference because in those early days, your family doesn't need more uncertainty. They need clarity. So when we talk about estate planning, it's not just about creating documents. It's also about making sure those documents are accessible. That may mean keeping them in a known location. It may mean providing instructions. It may mean making sure the right people know what exists and where to find it. Because the goal isn't just to have a plan, it's to have a plan that your family can actually use when they need it. And that's a simple step that can prevent a lot of confusion later.